The court calls the matter of Jensen versus Jensen, case number 2021-5470 DM. All parties and attorneys could please state their name and appearance for the record, starting with the plaintiff, Mr. Jensen.
Jason Jensen.
Good morning, sir.
And good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Christopher Padol appearing on behalf of the defendant, Tammy Jensen.
Good morning, everyone. Today's date and time set for settlement conference. This matter is being done by remote technology. The contents of the video may be the official record of a proceeding of the state of Michigan's 9th Judicial Circuit. Unauthorized duplication, distribution, or alteration of said content is strictly prohibited. This date and time set for a settlement conference. Looking at the pretrial form, there are many, if not all, issues are still outstanding. Mr. Jensen is representing himself, and Mr. Portal here on behalf of the defendant. Any chance, where are we at with this matter, folks?
Your Honor, we do have a settlement in this matter. Parties attended mediation on June 17th. We do have a signed mediation agreement. We have a judgment drafted along with the UCSO. Originally, when the judgment was sent out with the UCSO, there was an error on the UCSO, so that needed to be changed. And all of those documents were resent or are in the process of, as we speak, of being resent for signature.
Okay, so you think you have an agreement on all matters?
We do, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Jensen, would you agree to that?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Okay. Mr. Podol, would you like to take proofs today or wait till we get all the paperwork caught up?
I'm okay with taking proofs today, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Jensen, what that means is I would swear you in and ask, and Mr. Podol can do it, but we'll ask you the basic questions of a divorce. And if you think everything is in the best interest of the minor child and the property division is fair and equitable to both parties, I'll preserve the testimony until I get the paperwork in. So that way you folks don't have to come back. Does that make sense to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Jensen, if you could, does that make sense to you, Mr. Jensen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, if you could raise your right hand as plaintiff, I'll have you sworn. Do you solemnly swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Please state your full name, spelling your first and last name for the record.
Jason Jensen, JASON, JENSEN.
Okay, we will have to preserve the proofs and wait till this matter hits 182 days due to the children being involved, but I'll take your testimony today. Sir, you filed a complaint on or about April 6, 2021 for divorce, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
At the time you filed that complaint for divorce, did you live in the state of Michigan for 180 days and Kalamazoo County for at least 10 days?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you married on or about September 27, 2003 to Tammy Harper?
Yes.
You claim in the filing that there was a breakdown in the marriage relationship. Was that true when you filed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that true today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you briefly, in a sentence or less, tell me what caused the breakdown?
A lot of love a long time ago. Just not able to get along. Loveless, sexless relationship.
Okay. Based on those issues, has the matrimonial nature of your marriage been forever destroyed?
Yes, Your Honor.
As far as you aware, excuse me, as far as you are aware, is your wife currently pregnant?
No, Your Honor.
And the only minor children born or adopted during the marriage are Connor and Kate. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
In this agreement you've come to in its entirety, do you believe that with regards to the children that this agreement is in their best interest?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I didn't catch that. I have a bad connection here.
Do you believe that the agreement you've come to, is it in the best interest of the minor children?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Is it either party asking for spousal support?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, you understand that's forever barred?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Okay. With regards to all the property, whether it be retirements, personal property, real property, all the property that's going to be divided in your agreement, do you believe that's fair and equitable both parties?
I do, Your Honor.
Okay. Is there anything else you wish the court to be made aware of?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Poto, any questions of this witness?
No, Your Honor.
Miss Jensen, did you hear all the testimony? I think you're on mute. Did you hear all the testimony, Miss Jensen?
I did.
Anything you disagreed with?
No.
Okay. Mr. Poto, any other questions of either of the parties?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, what I'll do is I'll prepare the proofs. Again, we have to wait 180 days, but once the paperwork's in, me taking the proofs and holding them means you folks don't have to come back, but it does mean you're still married. As of today, I'll preserve the testimony. The testimony shows me there has been a breakdown of the marriage relationship to the extent that the objects of matrimony have been destroyed and there remains no reasonable likelihood the marriage can be preserved. I'll preserve the testimony. We'll await the paperwork. Any questions, Mr. Jensen?
No, Your Honor.
Any questions, Ms. Jensen?
No.
Okay. Thank you both for your hard work, and thank you, Mr. Poto, for your hard